Simple future tense, subjunctive mood. When the simple present tense is used with if, when, until, before, which conveys the present idea in the first part of the sentence. The simple future tense is shown in the second part. Now see the example. When she arrives tomorrow, he will welcome her warmly. If we postpone the meeting, she will notify everyone. If she passes the exam, she will celebrate. If she moves to another city, we will miss her. If he completes the work on time, he will be praised. If the team wins the game tomorrow, there will be a celebration. Before the guests arrive to the hotel, we will adjust the schedule. If they need direction, she will provide the map. If she feels unwell, she will rest for the day. If they decide to invest, we will provide the details. If he forgets his password, he will reset online. If she notices any errors, she will report them immediately. If he wins the competition, he will be awarded a medal. When they postpone event, he will send a notification. If they miss the bus, they will take a taxi. If they win the lottery, they will travel the world. If they change the schedule, he will inform the attendees. If you forget your ticket, you will need a replacement. If they arrive late, she will wait for them. If the teacher schedules the exam, we will notify the students. If she achieves her goal, she will celebrate her success. If they fail the exam, they will try again. If you join the team, we will welcome you warmly. If the car is broken down, we will call roadside assistance. If they win the match, they will qualify for the finals. If he makes a mistake, he will correct it immediately. If she changes her mind, he will respect for her decision. If the ship arrives early, We will unload the cargo. If she makes a discovery, he will share it with the world. If we finalize the agreement, we will celebrate the milestones. In next tutorial, I will bring you tenses in English grammar with meaningful lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.